Well, I had some grand plans for this project and I've just run out of time. We're leaving tomorrow until after Christmas, so this is where it's at the moment. So there's a lot of problems with it, which of course I'm going to point out. One is that the lasering didn't go as planned. I was having problems with it because I hadn't used the laser in a while. But big issue I'm having right now, which it's all just in settings and stuff like that, is that the little bits are coming out nice and dark, but if there's a longer line, like there's supposed to be a line that goes here, it's pretty just non-existent. There's another one that actually, this is a good example. There's actually a line that goes straight all the way across here, and you just don't see it. So that's our one problem. Another problem is that, well, this is supposed to be one of those leave me alone boxes. If you're not familiar with those, look it up. Hopefully, after I get back from this trip, we can make this happen. But essentially, it's supposed to be Santa in the box. And then there's a switch on the outside. You flip the switch up, it raises up, Santa comes, pokes his head out, and his arm comes in, flips the switch back, closes him back in there. So, but, he's not in there. Well, another problem, or another thing I haven't done yet, is the hinges. I just put them on there so that they're on there and I don't lose the hinges, but they need to be cut into the box a little bit so it's flush, because right now, it looks like crap. Also got a little bit of chip out from when I cut the box open. So, but, hey, it's all right. I had all the electronics and all that done. I've just run out of time to get this project done. So the electronics were done, but I still needed to do the arm that raises the lid and the arm of Santa that comes out and hits the switch. So maybe we'll get that done after Christmas, but it's all right. So hey, until next time, if you want to see more failures, epic failures of the CNC kind, tune in. Thanks. Merry Christmas.